Good morning, students. We welcoming in our online lecture MVM College of Commerce Management and IT Rajkot, Saurashtra University. Bcom Sem 4 students. Subject Corporate Accounting 2. Lecture number 1. Bcom semester 4. The subject is Corporate Accounting 2. Name of the course is Corporate Accounting 2 and course credit is 3 and total marks 100. All of you know 30 marks internal and 70 marks external examination. The objective of this objective for this subject is to provide basic knowledge and skills to the students about the corporate accounting principle and practice the development for the accounting system for the related to company. In the subject there are the 4 unit: amalgamation, second unit is absorption companies, third unit is voluntary liquidation, and unit number 4 is international financial reporting standard. It is called for IFRS and it is only theory. We are cover only theory topic in this unit. Okay, so we are start today our second topic. Today we are start our new second topic. It's absorption of companies. Okay, in the absorption of company we are covered the topic of introduction, meaning and concept, purpose of legal guideline of Companies Act 2013, accounting treatment as per the Indian accounting standard 14, and journal ledger entries, vertical balance sheet after the absorption, and practical question excluding intercompany holdings. So intercompany holdings we are not covered for this chapter. First of all, introduction. In the previous chapter, all of you know amalgamation. We have seen accounts relating to the amalgamation of companies, and absorption. One of the existing companies purchase the business of another company, and it includes the assets and liabilities of the vendor company in its own assets and liabilities. It is called for the absorption. And in amalgamations, 2 or more existing companies go into voluntary liquidation and they form a new company. Again I repeat, in the amalgamation, 2 or more existing companies go into the voluntary liquidation and they form a new company to take over the business of existing company. In the amalgamation, both the companies are closed, but in the absorptions, one company including another company. Here one of the existing companies take over the business of the other company. Here both the companies are not closed, but one existing companies take over the business of the other companies. It is called for the absorption. Is it clear? The accounts are written in the same way. From the amalgamation and absorptions, both are same. For example, A company take over the running business of B company. In this case, B company sells its business to A company, and B company will close its books of account and prepare accounts like a vendor company for the A company. Okay, meaning of the absorptions. તો અહીંયા આપણો મિનિંગ ક્લિયર થઈ જવો જોઈએ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન્સના રિલેટેડ કે વન કંપની છે એ સેકન્ડ કંપનીને પોતાની અંદર એબ્ઝોર્બ કરી લે છે. ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ફોર ધ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ઓફ કંપની. એટલે કે 2 કંપની હોય એમાંથી એક કંપની બીજી કંપનીને પોતાની અંદર એબ્ઝોર્બ કરી લેશે, ઇન્ક્લુડ કરી લેશે. ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ફોર ધ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ઓફ કંપનીઝ. Today we are calculate the one similar questions related to amalgamation. અહીંયા તમને amalgamation આવડતું હોય તો absorption પણ આવડી જ જાય, કારણ કે બેમાં સેમ સિમિલર રીતે તમારે એકાઉન્ટ પ્રિપેર કરવાના છે. Now read the question. First question we are taking the Saurashtra University question 1969. Sri Kirit Shah Company Limited of Rajkot absorbs the business of Sri Dilip Soni Company Limited of Meghraj on 31st March 2020. When the balance sheet of the latter disclose the following position, the liability side and asset side both are given. equity share 100 rupees each, 2 lakh rupees. General reserve 70,000, debenture 1 lakh, creditors 30,000, total 4 lakh. Fixed assets 3 lakh 50,000, cash 50,000, and total 4 lakh. Both the side total will be same. After balance sheet, as per the given some instructions, Sri Kirit Shah Company Limited agreed to take over assets except cash. એટલે કે કેશ ન્યૂ કંપની જે છે એ લેશે નહીં at a discount of 10%. એટલે કે બાકીની બધી એસેટ્સ છે એ 10% ડિસ્કાઉન્ટથી લેશે. And also take over the liability in respect of the debenture and creditors, both are also. Purchase price is to be discharged by issue of 1500 shares of 100 rupees each to be valued at a premium of 10%. It means new company given to us 1500 equity shares, 100 rupees each, and 10% premium. When remaining amount balance in cash. Okay. In the liquidation expenses 3000. So here the question. We write so necessary ledger account in the books of Sri Dilip Sony Limited. It means જે કંપની ક્લોઝ થાય છે એની બુકમાં આપણે નેસેસરી અકાઉન્ટ છે એ પ્રિપેર કરવાના છે. ઓકે. પાસ નેસેસરી જર્નલ એન્ટ્રીઝ ઇન ધ બુક્સ ઓફ ધ કિરીટ લિમિટેડ. અને બીજા નંબરમાં ન્યૂ કંપની આપણા માટે હવે ન્યૂ કંપની થશે કિરીટ લિમિટેડ, એની બુકમાં જર્નલ એન્ટ્રી તમારે પાસ કરવાની છે. ઓકે. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ અહીંયા આપણે પહેલાં વહેલા કેલ્ક્યુલેશન્સ કરશું. પીસી યા નેટ એસેટ્સનું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન આપણે કરવું પડે. ઓકે. ઇન ધ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ઓફ નેટ એસેટ્સ, ફર્સ્ટ યુ રાઇટ ધ ટોટલ અસેટ્સ. ટોટલ અસેટ્સ છે 3,50,000 માઇનસ હિયર ધ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ ગિવન 10% ડિસ્કાઉન્ટથી લે છે. So 10% is 35,000. So you are taking the assets for the price of 3,15,000. Okay. Less liabilities. Less liabilities. In the liability, creditors. So creditors as per the given 30,000 and debenture 1 lakh. So total liability is 1,30,000, and you get it the answer of net assets या PC 1,85,000. આપણે આને નેટ એસેટ્સ પણ કહી શકીએ અને ઓબ્લિક વી આર સેડ ટુ પીસી, કારણ કે અહીંયા બીજી કોઈ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન છે નહીં. અને રિમેનિંગ એમાઉન્ટ કેસ વર્ડ વેન ધ યુઝ there are no goodwill or no capital reserve. Keep in mind students, when the word was given remaining amount paid into cash, it means no goodwill, no capital reserve. Is it clear? PC 1,85,000. In the PC, what the amount was given? So here the given 1500 equity shares. So your second working note, PC, first point, equity share 1500 into 100. So 1,50,000. Then plus share premium. Here the share premium was given 10%. So 10% of 1,50,000, your answer is 15,000. So total amount given by 1,65,000 shares. And remaining amount cash. So here the question mark. And the total amount is 1,85,000, because our PC is 1,85,000, and we find the remaining amount is 20,000. It is a cash. ધ્યાનથી જોઈ લ્યો. વર્કિંગ નોટ પરફેક્ટ. 20,000 cash. After that, we prepare the necessary accounts in the books of the Dilip Sony Company Limited. So first we prepare realization account. In the realization account, all of you know, first you write here the fixed assets. As per our balance sheet, fixed assets 3,50,000. Okay. Cash was not taken over. Then you prepare a cash account when the cash not taken over. And if cash was taken over, then you write here the cash. Okay. Then opposite side, by liability, first is creditors 30,000 and by debenture 1 lakh. ક્વેશ્ચન તમારી સામે રાખશો તો તમને ઇઝી પડશે. ક્રેડિટર 30,000 and debenture 1 lakh. Next, here write by Kirit Shah as per the PC. આપણને જે પીસીમાં આપે એ આપણે ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ લખવું જોઈએ 1,85,000. And then after 1 point, liquidation expenses was paid 3,000. So we write in realization account debit and cash account credit. So here write to cash account liquidation expenses 3,000. And second effect of this value is cash account credit side. After that you are close this account. The total of debit side is higher 3,53,000 and we find the credit balance is 38,000. Here write by shareholders account. By shareholders account it is loss. If answer find in debit side it is called for profit and answer find in the credit side it is called for loss. So first you prepare realization account. After that you prepare shareholders account. In the shareholders account we write the credit side first by share capital as per the given in the balance sheet 2 lakh rupees. Any reserves like that general reserve we are credited to shareholders account 70,000. કોઈ પણ reserves આપ્યા હોય we write shareholders account credit side and any fictitious assets as per the given then you write the debit side. Here no any fictitious assets but here loss હમણાં જ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કર્યો રિયલાઇઝેશનનો લોસ. રિયલાઇઝેશન અકાઉન્ટ લોસ 38,000 and new company given to equity share to shares in new company with premium so 1,65,000. આટલી એન્ટ્રી આવશે, ધ્યાનથી જોઈ લ્યો. ફર્સ્ટ ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ બાય શેર કેપિટલ 2 lakh and by GR any reserves we write in the credit side by GR 70,000. Then shareholders debit side realizationનો લોસ આવશે and new company જે શેર્સ આપે છે તે આવશે અને અકાઉન્ટ ક્લોઝ કરતાં જે કાંઈ પણ ફિગર નીકળે we write in the cash account. So here the total is 2,70,000 and here the find the figure is 1,00,000 sorry, 1 lakh ni પણ 67,000. The difference is 67,000. We write here cash account. આ cash account માં ક્યાં આવશે? Credit side. So first you prepare realization account, second you prepare shareholders account, third you prepare new company's account. New company means Kirit Shah's account. First you write debit side to realization account bracket PC 1,85,000, and then after credit side buy shares in new company account 1,65,000 and buy cash 20,000. And all of you know always this account is closed in here 1,85,000 and 1,85,000. ધ્યાનથી જોઈ લ્યો. ફર્સ્ટ રિયલાઇઝેશનમાં ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ લખીએ છીએ કિરીટ શાહ 185, એની સેકન્ડ એન્ટ્રી અહીંયા ડેબિટ આવશે, અને પછી ન્યૂ કંપનીએ આપણને જે આપ્યું હોય ક્રેડિટ કરવાનું બાય શેર્સ ઇન ન્યૂ કંપની, જેની સેકન્ડ ઇફેક્ટ જશે શેર્સમાં, કેશ જશે કેશ એકાઉન્ટમાં ડેબિટ સાઇડ. થર્ડ એકાઉન્ટ તમારે પ્રિપેર કરવાનું ક્રેડિટ શાહ's એકાઉન્ટ. નેક્સ્ટ યુ પ્રિપેર કેશ એકાઉન્ટ. When new company not taken over the cash, then you write here to balance BD amount 50,000. When new company not taken over cash, then you write cash account debit side, and new company taken over the cash, then you write realization account debit side. Then second point, new company is given to cash 20,000 to Kirit's account 20,000, and you are paid realization account bracket liquidation expenses 3,000 by realization account bracket liquidation expenses. First you write realization account debit and then cash account credit. Then after you are close this account 70,000 and transfer to shareholders account 67,000, અને આપણે જોયું પણ શેરહોલ્ડરમાં 67,000 જ આવતા હતા બાય shareholders account 67,000. Is it clear? So in the questions when you prepare necessary accounts, then you write realization account, shareholders account, new companies account and cash account. You are prepare 4 accounts. After the question 2, here the journal entry in the books of the Kirit Shah company, we wrote the 3 journal entries. First you title the heading journal entries. First, business purchase account debit 1,85,000, the amount of PC, to liquidator of જે કંપની ક્લોઝ થાય એનું નેમ દિલીપ સોની કંપની લિમિટેડ 1,85,000. First entry, here the entry is the little bit change in the chapter of amalgamation. Business purchase account debit 1,85,000 to liquidator of Dilip Sony Company Limited 1,85,000. It is a first entry. Then second entry, first fixed assets account debit Here the fixed assets is 3,15,000. Here the fixed assets is 3,15,000. 2. First creditor account, all the liability 30,000. 2. Debentures account. Okay, we write the second entry again. Fixed assets. Fixed assets account debit 3,15,000. 2. Creditors account 30,000. To debenture account 1 lakh. And 2. Business purchase account 1,85,000. It is your second journal entry, right? Fixed assets account debit at 3,15,000. Then you write the all liabilities, creditors, debenture, and last you write business purchase account 1,85,000. And the last entry, third, liquidator of Dilip Soni Company Limited account 1,85,000. 2. ન્યૂ કંપની જે આપણને આપે એ લખવાનું, તો શેર કેપિટલ 1,50,000. to share premium 15,000 and to cash 20,000. It is your last and third entry. Liquidator of Dilip Soni to જે ન્યૂ કંપની આપણે આપ્યું હોય. અમાલ્ગમેશનમાં આપણે 2 એન્ટ્રી કરતા હતા, એની બદલે અહીંયા 3 એન્ટ્રી કરી. બિઝનેસ પરચેસ વન ટાઈમ ડેબિટ થયું, બિઝનેસ પરચેસ વન ટાઈમ ક્રેડિટ થયું, એ આમાં એડ થાય છે. સો યુ રાઇટ હિયર ધ એન્ટ્રી 3. Is it clear? So here your question is completed, okay, and you prepare question in your notebook, so easily you understand this type of question. And this is the similar to amalgamation. Amalgamation જેવું જ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન છે, એના જેમ જ એન્ટ્રી અને અકાઉન્ટ છે એ પ્રિપેર થાય છે. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.